number 20 is one of the most in-demand skills right now, where you can earn between five to $10,000 a month. If you're a woman or a mom and you've been thinking of a digital skill that you can learn to earn from the comfort of your home, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 20 plus skills that you can learn and work with clients from all over the world. And some of these skills are skills that I've learned and practiced in the past and also currently do. And this video is the beginning of a series that I'm starting called Skills Highlight, where every week I share with you different skills that you can learn so that you can earn from the comfort of your home. And I am going to break down these skills, sharing what these skills are, how you can learn them, where you can learn them for free and also paid, how long it takes for you to learn them and also start earning with them. I'm going to do all the research and save you all the time. So if this is something you're interested in, then subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you never miss any of the videos in this series. Hi, my name is Amake Zabikwa. I am your online mom bestie, and in this channel I help women, especially moms, learn digital skills, create content, create better content, and earn from home with purpose and confidence. Let's dive in. At number one, we have Pinterest management. There's a lot of misconception about Pinterest. We feel like this is just a platform where you can go and download photos, get motivational, inspirational, entertaining quotes. But that's not just it. Lots of brands, businesses, and coaches use Pinterest to drive traffic to their online shop, e-commerce shops, blogs, websites, and all of that. And they need managers to help them manage their Pinterest account. As a Pinterest manager, you get to create pins, schedule them, and optimize them for visibility. And as a Pinterest manager, you can earn between $1,000 to $3,000 depending on your experience and expertise. At number two, we have content creation. This is something I advise everybody to do. And as a content creator, you get to build a brand around yourself, and you can showcase your skills, your services, and get brand deals. You can teach what you know, create digital courses, and just build impact, income, and influence. As a content creator, the amounts that you can make is limitless. At number three, we have video editing. Video is king right now, and almost everybody is putting out videos on different social media platforms. So who else will be editing those videos but video editors? Because not a lot of people have the time to sit down to edit their videos. A lot of people are literally looking for video editors to edit their videos, and you can help them with that. As a video editor, you can specialize in editing only short form videos for social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or you can specialize in editing long form videos for YouTube, personal videos, interviews, and even movies. As a video editor, depending on your packages, you can earn between $500 to $1,500 monthly. And the good thing is that you don't even have to work with just one client. You can have about 4 or 5 clients and manage them together. This is a skill that you should definitely try out. At number four, we have social media strategy. This is usually the brain behind lots of brands online. As a social media strategist, you don't just post content. You plan a brand's social media presence, mapping out different strategies that they can use to achieve whatever goal that they want to achieve on social media. You're like the brain, their director, showing them the way, leading them, and making sure that they are in brand, making sure that everything that they do is according to plan. A lot of big brands use social media strategies, and you can be one of them. As a social media strategist, you can earn between $4,000 to $6,000, and you don't have to work for just one client. You can have multiple clients. That's one of the things I love about these digital skills. There are things that you can offer to more than one person. There are lots of other skills that I just couldn't add to this video because I don't want this video to be too long or way longer than it is already. And I just want to go into explaining every other skill and not create this type of video again. So what I'm going to do is I am going to create an ebook where I will put in 100 skills. Yes, 100 digital skills that you can learn to earn from the comfort of your home. I'm going to take my time to write it. I will make sure I go into deep research, making sure that I give you every information that you need about each of these digital skills. This is something that you will love, is something you will find very helpful, is something you can give as a gift to someone and they will be forever grateful to you. So if this is something you're interested in, just sit tight. I will work on it and let you know when it's ready. At number 5, we have content strategy. As a content strategist, you help businesses and brands put out the kind of content that helps them, attract the right audience, connect with their audience, and get their audience to see them as a thought leader. Whatever their goal is, you help them achieve this using content. And as a content strategist, you can earn between $3,000 to $6,000 monthly. And yes, you don't have to have just one client. At number 6, we have copywriting. As a copywriter, you write ads, landing pages, sales pages, email sequences or emails, and all of that. Businesses today need copywriters because they need to make the right impression. They need to use words to grab attention and get their audience to take action. So if you're good with words, you love to write, and you understand human psychology, this is definitely the high income skill that you should learn. As a copywriter, depending on your job and your client, you can earn between $500 to $1,000 or even more monthly. Let me know in the comments section which of these skills that you would like to start with. Also, let me know which one you want me to break down in my next video. At number 7, we have social media management. As a social media manager, you get to help businesses and brands manage their social media presence on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Snapchat, TikTok, you name it. You create and schedule posts, respond to messages, respond to DMs, and track the analytics to know what's working and what's not working. This is an amazing skill that you can easily monetize, and as a social media manager, you can earn between $500 to $2,000 per client. At number 8, we have content writing. This is different from copywriting. As a content writer, you get to write blog posts, articles, ebooks, guides, and all of that. And you can do this for businesses, brands, and entrepreneurs who want to engage their audience. So if you're someone who enjoys writing and you want to build authority through words, you should definitely become a content writer. And as a content writer, you can earn between $3,000 to $5,000 per client. As number 9, we have email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most profitable digital skills. You get to write and design emails and nurture leads, build relationships, and promote offers. This includes welcome sequences, weekly newsletters, and all of that. And as an email marketer, you get to earn between $3,000 to $6,000 monthly. At number 10, we have digital marketing strategy. This is the whole package. As a digital marketing strategist, you combine social media, ads, email, SEO, everything, and you become the brain behind the marketing of a business. This is an advanced skill, but it's something that you can build your way to. As a digital marketing strategist, you can earn between $7,500 to $10,000 monthly. That's crazy. At number 11, we have affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you get to promote other people's products and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. For this, you don't need to create your own product. You just need to build an audience that know you, love you, and trust you, and are willing to buy what. This is a powerful way to earn a passive income. And as an affiliate marketer, the amounts that you can earn is limitless, totally depending on the products that you promote and the products that you sell. If you're still watching this video, it means you're enjoying it. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can show it to more people, so that more people can know these skills and learn these skills and earn money from home. At number 12, we have Canva design. Canva is one of the simplest and most effective design tool that you can learn. With Canva, you can design social media posts, social media graphics, flyers, Pinterest pins, and so much more. In fact, right now, you can even create videos using Canva. Canva alone can make you millions. At number 13, we have web design. This is either no code or very low code. You don't need to be a developer to design websites. You can use tools like Wix, Shopify, WordPress with Elementor to create beautiful websites. You can create websites for coaches, course creators, personal brands, and businesses. As a web designer, you can earn between $1,000 to over $3,000 monthly. At number 14, we have digital product creation. As a digital product creator, you can create ebooks, templates, guides. You can create all of this using Canva and sell this to an audience. And the thing is, you don't even need a huge audience to do this. You can package the knowledge that you know, the knowledge that you have, and sell it to an audience. That's a digital product. And this is something that you can even do with every other skill that you learn. For example, if you learn video editing, Pinterest management, whatever it is you learn, with time, you can package your knowledge and sell it as a digital product, and people will buy to learn from you. This is an amazing skill, and the amount you can earn with this, no words. At number 15, we have sales funnel builder. A sales funnel builder is someone who designs a journey that takes from a stranger to a buyer, to a customer of a brand. They map out everything that happens from the moment that the person sees your brand for the first time to when they make the decision to buy from you. This is something that they do through creating lead magnets, email sequences, upsells, and more. As a sales funnel builder, you can earn between $3,000 to $8,000 monthly. At number 16, we have sales page designing. As a sales page designer, you get to create web pages, design web pages that are meant to specifically sell a particular product. These pages are built to highlight what the product is about, answer objections, show social proof, just to make it easy for your customer to make a decision to buy from you. And as a sales page builder, you can earn between $500 to $3,000 monthly. This is something that businesses, coaches, course creators are actively searching for. At number 17, we have landing page building. As a landing page builder, you get to create landing pages that helps your clients drive action. For example, you can create a landing page for your clients to get emails from their audience. A landing page is more simple and easy to create than a sales page and a sales funnel. But a sales funnel builder will know how to create a landing page and a sales page. So these skills that I'm sharing with you, you don't have to just learn one of them. You can learn more than one. You can be a sales funnel builder that knows how to create a landing page and a sales page. In fact, you can even learn how to create a website and offer all of this as a service to your clients. As a landing page builder, you can earn between $300 to $500 and more monthly. At number 18, we have WhatsApp automation. Businesses and brands use WhatsApp to sell, build a community, and follow up on their clients and their audience. So as a WhatsApp automation expert, you can use tools on WhatsApp and other third-party tools to create automation just to make it easy for your clients to follow up and also serve their audience. You can help them automate replies, automate questions. And as a WhatsApp automation expert, you can earn between $500 to $1,500 monthly. And the good thing, you don't have to have just one client. At number 19, we have community management. Online businesses and coaches need community managers to manage their Facebook groups, their Telegram groups, their Instagram communities. As a community manager, you get to make their communities lively, you keep it active, help them respond to comments, respond to DMs, and all of that. And as a community manager, you can earn between $500 to $2,000 monthly, and no, you don't have to work for just one client. You can spread your wings and take as much clients as you can handle. And at number 20, this is mind blowing, we have AI automation. As an AI automation expert, you use tools like ManyChat or even Zapier to help brands automate repetitive tasks and even set up chatbots that handles frequently asked questions, bookings, and even onboarding. And you don't have to be tech savvy to do this. You just have to be willing to learn how this works. And as an AI automation expert, you can earn between $7,000 to $10,000 monthly. Yes, and this is a high in demand skill right now. The final skill at number 21, we have podcast management. Lots of people are beginning to realize how amazing and good and important podcasts are. So a lot of people are recently going into podcasts and they need a podcast manager to help them handle things. As a podcast manager, you get to help your clients edit their podcast episodes, upload it to the platforms, reach out to different brands for interviews, and also promote their podcasts. This is something that you can learn and offer as a service. And as a podcast manager, you get to earn between $1,500 to $3,000 monthly. And no, you don't have to have just one client. You can have as many clients as you can handle. This is an amazing skill that you should definitely give a try. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section which of these skills that you would want to start learning. Also, let me know which of them that you want me to explain in my next video. And don't forget, I'm going to create an ebook where I get to share with you 100 digital skills that you can learn as a woman, as a mom, to earn from the comfort of your home. This will break down everything that you need to know. And like I said, I'm going to keep you updated on the creation of this book. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I'll definitely see you in the next one. It's Amaka, your online mom bestie. And don't forget, Jesus loves you. Bye.